Why you should choose VEKOOTO VK310 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. Simple check engine diagnosis for 1996 plus cars. The VEKOOTO VK310 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool is built to make check engine diagnosis simple, fast, and accessible for everyday drivers. Compatible with all 1996 and newer OBD2 vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks, this scanner supports every major OBD2 protocol such as CAN, KWP2000, J1850, and ISO 9141. Just plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port and it powers on instantly, no batteries, apps, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi required. With the VK310, you can quickly read and clear check engine light codes, view detailed fault code definitions, and analyze freeze frame data to understand what triggered the issue. It also provides I/M readiness status, helping you check emissions readiness before heading to a smog inspection. The live data stream feature displays real-time sensor information like engine RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel system status, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's performance at a glance. Designed with beginners in mind, the clear 2.5-inch LCD screen and intuitive interface make diagnostics stress-free. Combined with a rugged build, long cable, and lifetime free updates, the VEKOOTO VK310 is a dependable OBD2 scanner for routine maintenance and early problem detection. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.